I'm here with Gala Gordon. Now, some of you may know her, some of you may not. And she's a very, very dear friend of mine. And why don't you tell us, Gala, who you are and what you do? So just for the people who don't know, you know.
Hi, my name is Gala Gordon. I'm an actress and I'm a co-founder of my non-profit theatre company called Platform Presents.
What is it exactly and how does it work?
So Platform Presents is a theatre company that I founded alongside a producer called Isabella McPherson 3 years ago. So I wanted to create a company that would give a space and support to rising star talent, whether they're actors, writers or directors. And we, within our company, put on poetry evenings, play readings, and we also do full productions. And Blueberry Toast was our first full production that we ran in the main space of the Soho Theatre for 6 weeks.
Which was amazing. And everybody that went to see that said it was amazing.
So this year we've just launched a Playwrights Prize, where we sent out a call to young playwrights to submit their plays of up to 10,000 words. My partner and I have received over 100 submissions.
Oh my God.
And
Homework.
Yeah, and then we will send the top 5 to the judges and we'll have a 5-hour conversation where we pick the winner, give them a grant and help mentor their play to get it on in London. I actually haven't had that much experience doing fashion shoots. I was first scouted by Tyrone Le Bon when I was 16 to do the Doc Martens campaign. And then when I met you, I just finished filming Kids in Love. And I turned up on set and fell in love with Wendy, and that was it.
Well, for me, she wanted to do stuff. You know, I could bleach her eyebrows, which sometimes people don't like you to do, but it does look good in pictures.
As long as these makeup artists put them back.
You know, well, I will always would. I've given you 2 choices. One of them is a Harper's Bazaar cover from it's Eva Green. And the other one is Chrissy Turner from French Vogue. Who would you rather be?
I love them both. So you've got to choose.
Oh, maybe we can make a mudge of both of them. Maybe I'll show you like an easy, or how to do a red lip, and then we go on to the glitter, because glitter's always fun. And you did say you did want to.
Yeah, I love that. Yeah. I also love fancy dress and any opportunity to slightly transform myself.
Good job then, right? Being an actress, because it's fancy dress all the time. So I'll just show you a nice way how to do it, wearable, and just a bit different.
Brilliant.
So should we get going?
Yeah.
All right. See you soon. How to create the perfect red lip. Remove any dry skin by prepping the lip first. Add a lip balm, nothing too shiny. I like to use a concealer just to eradicate any redness around the lip line, and also it'll hold the lipstick much better. I like to use a matte pencil. It's really good and I'll make sure nothing bleeds. Stretch the side of the face or smile so you can get a really nice sharp lip line. And on the top, you can always use your finger to pull out the mouth so it can be really straight. Join the bow together. This will make sure you can get it symmetrical. You can always correct after that. Now guys, I don't need to tell you how to use a lipstick. You just fill it in after that, because the most important thing is the lip liner, and that will hold it all together. Doesn't matter which way you do this. You can start top or bottom. Make sure the corners match in. I like to use a cream blush, something with a slight tanny feel. It will just pull it all together. And I powder the lips just to give it that staying powder. There you have it, a perfect red lip, loads of mascara, and good to go. Get the look with a glittery eye. I'm going to use a contour pen just to create some depth, and it's good base for you to do any eyeshadow with. I'm using a pencil, and I like to put it on with a brush just because it's cream and I can make it intense with an angled brush. Brush under the eye, and then I want to set it with a powder of a similar colour. You can always blend with your finger. This is really easy and soft and easy to do. Just remember to set everything what you've done with a powder eyeshadow. Now from the colour palette, add a mid-brown just to set your cream. Now with a bronze colour, dab it in the middle of the eye from the same palette. And to brighten the inner corners of the eye, use a lighter golden. Now clean up with a little bit of foundation. This will make your skin look amazing. And go over the mouth slightly. The fun bit, the glitter. I'm using a liquid shimmer glitter. And I'm putting it really close to the lash line. I'm going to tap it down slightly, because this will always be a good, nice, seamless blend. Now I'm using a holographic glitter. I'm keeping it close to the lash line, darker and then lighter as it falls down. Now it will fall haphazard, but that's okay. And look how gorgeous that looks when it catches the light. You just keep on tapping it in where you want it more. I'm adding a nude lip. That's completely up to you. This is just my look. And then we have it. Good to go.
Thanks for having me.
Yeah, well, thanks for coming. Please come back, because we've got more looks to do on you. We can do like a wet look.
I'd love
I like really loads of colours and stuff.
I'd love
We'll bleach your eyebrows, because we
Okay.
want to do that. We want to do all of that.
Yeah.
So thanks for coming.
Thanks.
Wait a minute.